Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to add reviews to your Shopify store. So adding reviews to your Shopify store is very important because it builds trust and increases sales. So you have the three main ways to do it, okay? So the first one and the best one and the easiest one that I'm going to show you in that video is to use the Shopify Reviews app. So we have on the recommended apps the Judge Me product reviews. That's the best for the free options, and the looks reviews, that's something like a photo reviews, that's very popular too. And we have Shopify product reviews, and that's official but basic. Okay, so actually to add it you will need to go to the Shopify app store, and to do that you will need us first to go to the settings below on the left hand menu, and then just go with the apps option right here on the left hand menu too, and then go with the Shopify app store. So now we got forwarded into the Shopify app store as well. So just go ahead and click on the search apps, guides and more, or just select the search bar at the top. So type right there judge.me. Right, so this is the app that I talked about, right? So just go ahead and click on install. Right, so right now you will need just to confirm the installation. So go with install again at the bottom right of the pop-up menu, and then go and select your options or your preferences right here, like the settings, language, English, the widget, go with English. Where would you like to install it? My current theme, the default one. And then just go with the receive products updates and newsletter from Judge.me and subscribe anytime, and go with next. Right, and now you will need to select a few options from here. So which best describes your store right now? You can go with just starting out, so you will need to read all of them, and then answer right here and go with next. Right, next. And now go with enable app embed. Okay, so the steps are right here. You will need to click on the button below to open a new window. So let's follow the steps. So here you will need to make sure that's optional, that's bottom right here, switch to the right, and then just go with next. Okay, so as you can see, it's working as well, even if they say that it's filled, right? So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.